What is up and welcome back, you guys. If you guys don't know me, my name is Andy. I'm a multi-six-figure Amazon FBA seller. If you guys are new to this channel, welcome. Please subscribe if you find any of this information helpful. I'd love to be able to share with you more value in the videos to come. But in this video, I want to cover 3 top reasons why I chose the Amazon FBA business model and why you might want to too. For the sake of this video, I want to cover the positives and why I chose to go this route and why I chose Amazon FBA private labeling over some of the other e-commerce business models. If you guys haven't already, be sure to check out the Facebook community that we have for this channel. You can find that in the description below, or you can just go to Facebook and type in Prestige Amazon FBA Mastermind. There we'll go over questions and comments you guys have or concerns, and I'll be there to help you guys out personally. So be sure to go check that out. But let's just dive right into this. By the way, if you guys do not know what Amazon FBA private labeling is and you guys are just curious, be sure to check out my previous video. I'll leave a link to that somewhere up here, but be sure to go check that out. I go over basically what Amazon FBA is and what that process is like, and shipping and getting that stuff automated. But in a nutshell, Amazon FBA private labeling is creating your own brand around a product or a niche of products that you found are profitable, or that you've done product research on and that you find are profitable, and you create a brand around that. Now that leads me to reason number 1, creating your own brand. Now I don't know about you guys, but for as long as I can remember, I've always dreamt about creating my own brand. I always hear stories about friends or friends of friends who have created like t-shirt brands or brands selling just quality products, brands that created products that were in demand. I always thought that was the coolest thing to me, especially if the brands and companies were thriving. Just being able to own your own business and own your own brand, something that you produce, something that you put out, always seemed like the coolest thing to me. Being able to own your own brand means that you can take the company or brand in whatever direction you please, or whatever direction you think would be best for the company without the approval of others. Just being able to leverage the Amazon FBA platform means you don't only have to stick to one brand. You could create multiple brands in different niches with tons and tons of products, and a lot of the automation process makes it possible for you to do so. So don't feel like you have to have employees just working for you or virtual assistants. You can really just do all of this on your own, and you don't have to be intimidated by so many items that you're producing or how many brands you have. Reason number 2, creating a second stream of income, or a stream of income that could eventually lead you to financial freedom. Now, one of my earliest memories of getting started on the Amazon FBA journey was with one of my homies, Auden. He basically started out the conversation by saying, "It's great to wake up to sales every morning." And that statement alone resonates with me till this day. I mean, just let that sink in. Most people sleep 6 to 8 hours a day, and there's so much that happens online within the 6 to 8 hours. Imagine if you can make money while you sleep and wake up to sales every morning. Now I don't know about you guys, but that was definitely a dream for me, and something that I thought was impossible until I had kind of figured out and got familiarized with the Amazon FBA process. Just being able to sell physical products online while you sleep or while you're working your 9 to 5 sounded like an amazing opportunity. So finally, reason number 3, to live the life that I wanted to, and realistically that I needed to. If you guys didn't catch me in my first video, it's basically an intro video to my YouTube channel and how I kind of transitioned and got started in the full-time Amazon FBA space. But in a nutshell, I wasn't super happy at my 9 to 5 job. I was at the time doing Amazon FBA private labeling part-time, doing it on the side. I was working every day, just not super happy and not having that sense of fulfillment going into work every day. This honestly wasn't how I wanted to live the rest of my life. And eventually it got me to the point where I was contemplating on whether or not if I wanted to work this position for the next 30 or 40 years, and if I could see myself working in that position for the rest of my life, or not rest of my life, but until retirement. Nearing the end of my work term, I definitely saw Amazon FBA as both a risk and an opportunity, and it was an opportunity that I did not want to wait any longer to fully pursue, which is why I had gone ahead to do so. Being able to pursue Amazon FBA full-time has allowed me to work on my own terms and pretty much just be my own boss. And I mean, this is something that I feel passionately about, but if you do have a passion or a drive that you're thinking about pursuing, just put yourself in the perspective of whether or not you want to spend your time building somebody else's dream, or do you want to spend your time building your own dream? I saw Amazon FBA private labeling as an opportunity for me to reach the goals that I had set for myself on a long-term scale. And this is not entirely just on a monetary basis, but also just on a basis of self-fulfillment. You know, would I be happy doing this for the next 20 and 30 years down the line, if possible? And that answer was always yes. So this is something that I just had to pursue. And I didn't want to have FOMO, so I definitely had to pursue it. So if I at all changed your mind about pursuing Amazon FBA private labeling as a second stream of income or as a primary stream of income, please be sure to like this video. If you guys have any questions or comments, please be sure to drop that down in the comment section below. I always get to all of my comments personally and as quick as possible, so you guys be sure to do that. If you guys are new sellers or veteran sellers, please be sure to subscribe. I'll be dropping videos every week. And as always, I just wanted to thank you guys so much for staying till the end of the video. I always appreciate it. But until next time, I'll catch you guys at the next one. Peace.